Hey everybody, Jay here with Parts Counter Gurus. Thanks for joining us today. We are coming to you from the Performance Racing Industry Show here in Indianapolis. We're in the EV Performance Zone, and let me tell you something, this is pretty amazing. Keith and I have been talking about the electrification of vehicles for quite some time, and look what we have here. We have a 1966 Cadillac Convertible that is a electric EV conversion here. This is one of many that's in this room here at PRI 2021, and we are not surprised that that these vehicles are electrified. Keith, come on, let's take a walk around. We'll show them some other vehicles. Check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/partscountergurus. We just did a video on this Corvette, an in-depth conversation with the owner. Make sure you check that out. So as we walk around the room, what we are seeing is various vehicles that have been converted, but we also have companies that are supplying the product that you need to convert your vehicle to an electric vehicle, from batteries to EV torque boxes. You name it, it's here. We've got electric little mini go-karts here, electric carts. We've got electric drag cars. We've got performance vehicles. There's a Camino that has been converted here. There is so much that we could talk about here today. Now, what do we have here? Ford Performance is here once again with their Mach, as well as the F100 1978 model that is a fully restored Ford pickup truck, but it is electrified, and it uses the Eluminator, which is a $3,900 crate motor, electric crate motor that you can purchase from Ford. Good luck buying one, they're sold out, but it is a beautiful ride. The interior of this thing, Keith, come on over here, let's see if they'll let me open this door. Can I open this door? Or can someone open this door for me? Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Hey, this is the art of the deal here, guys. So this thing is fully restored, but when we didn't have the opportunity at SEMA to get inside the cab, this thing is beautiful. It's basically a Mach E on a Ford F100 chassis. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Beautiful ride. Thank you guys for letting us look inside that cab. Beautiful. Now, again, easy connectivity when you need to charge it, and it's right where it needs to be on the front. Here is an example of a setup with the shafts on the Eluminator. Pretty amazing. It's a great ride. Look at this. So, let me tell you folks, we have an El Camino over here that's electrified, Keith, if you'll pan over that way. And what better place to have the content creator zone, which is here, the stage, to talk about this stuff. There is a reason why content creators are here today. It is because the electrification of vehicles movement is on and in full speed. Okay guys, so that's a wrap up of what Ford has here in the EV zone here at PRI. Let's go over here and give Chevrolet a little love. We've got a nice El Camino SS that's been completely converted over to an electric vehicle as well. This is a nice ride. Keith, why don't you see if you can get a little bit of a view of what's under that hood right there. And wow, I mean, really nothing's untouchable when it comes to electrifying vehicles, guys. And trust me, if you've got an old Restomod that you want to continue to drive, and you want to keep the air clean, man, go ahead and convert your ride over to an electric vehicle. So it's a fun thing to see happening right now. Thank you guys for watching us here today in the PRI EV Performance Zone. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. That's youtube.com/partscountergurus, and ring that bell to be notified when videos like this come out. Thank you so much. Take care, guys.